Good afternoon. Today we'd like to talk about what happens when things don't go as planned, when you run into difficulty for a myriad number of reasons, and how your credit union can help and what things aren't such a good idea in terms of providing assistance in those situations. This could be for anyone of a number of reasons, job loss, medical issues, a pandemic, whatever the case may be. Sometimes things happen and you've run into some challenges, and your credit union is here to help. However, we see that a lot of times members choose one of two other options that aren't necessarily the best ways to go. The first one I want to talk about is the member who goes to a payday lender. And the payday lenders are going to pretty much guarantee that you're going to walk out with some cash after you visit with them. And from that standpoint, that can be a good thing. The difficulty is that when you have to pay them back, the interest rates are well over 100%. So if you borrow $500 to get over a short-term difficulty, you're going to have to pay back not only the $500 of principal, but at least another $500 of interest and fees just for $500 borrowed. So it's really not a very economic way to get over your situation. The other thing that a lot of people do is they go to a bankruptcy attorney, and sometimes that makes a lot of sense to get you through your problems. The issue with bankruptcy attorneys is they always are going to recommend that you file bankruptcy, because they're going to charge you roughly $1,200 to $1,500 of their fees to file the paperwork, and that's money you will never get back, and it's right out of your pocket, and they get paid first. Rather than doing a payday lender or going to a bankruptcy attorney, talk to your credit union first. There might be things, especially if you get in early, there might be things that we can do to avoid the high interest costs of the payday lenders or the big fees of the bankruptcy attorneys that help you protect your home, protect your assets, protect your credit rating and your reputation, and get you over your short-term difficulty. So that's our message for today, is talk to your credit union. We might have ways to help that you're not going to be told by the payday lender or the bankruptcy attorney. Thanks for watching.